This pair boasts a brilliant court purple colorway, a black mid-body, and a clean white toe. It also proudly displays Hayley Wilson's name alongside the iconic turquoise blue Nike SB emblem. This release, which costs $135, is sure to draw attention both at the skate park and on the streets. The partnership between Hayley Wilson and Nike SB honors her remarkable skateboarding career. She became the contest's youngest women's street division athlete and qualified for the X Games at the age of 15. Prior to causing a stir on the international arena, Hayley won 3 straight national street competitions in her own country of Australia. As a young skater with years of experience, Hayley Wilson keeps pushing the envelope and motivating the upcoming generation of skaters. It is anticipated that the Hayley Wilson x Nike SB Dunkler will retail for $135 at certain skate shops and SNKRS on June 5, 2025.